Standard 6th, Chapter 3, Integers. Today we are going to learn the subtraction of integers. To subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. So what does this mean? Let's see through an example. 7 minus 2. Now the rule given in the textbook tells us that to subtract a number from another number, means to subtract minus 2 from another number 7, is to do what? Is equal to add its opposite number to the other number. Add. So add opposite of the number to the other number. Means what? 7 will have to write as it is. Subtraction we are converting to addition, and when you are doing addition you have to write opposite of the next number, that is minus 2. Opposite numbers you already know. Opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. So as per the rule, what we have done, we have written 7 as it is. Negative, that is subtraction is there. Subtraction of integers we are doing. Subtraction we are converting to addition, and when you are converting it into addition you are writing the opposite of the next number, that is minus 2, you are writing it as plus 2, and now you will solve it. This is equal to plus operation is plus, 7 plus 2 9, and since all the numbers were positive, the sign remains positive. Even if we don't write positive sign, it is understood that 9 is positive. Now this is as per the rule mentioned in the textbook. Now another way you can solve this is by opening the brackets. So how we can do that? Minus operation is plus, the same operation that you use for addition of integers. So we can write this as another method, this or this, whichever easy for you, you can follow it. So minus is plus, so we get it as equal to 7 minus into minus is plus, so this becomes 7 plus 2. Directly opening the brackets, minus into minus plus, and answer is 9. Okay, so this is how we can solve subtraction of integers. Let us see second example. Say minus 9 minus 4. Now as per the rule mentioned above, we write minus 9 as it is. Okay, and what we do? Subtraction we turn into addition, and opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. So this will be equal to minus 9 again as it is. First solve, plus and plus is plus, and now plus and minus is minus. 9 minus 4 is 5, and sign of greater number 9 is negative, so minus 5. Or what we can do is solve the brackets. Minus 9, this is equal to minus 9, minus plus 4. This will be equal to plus and minus, 9 minus 4 is 5, and sign of greater. So what we are doing is, when you are solving by opening brackets, you are saving one step. So this way you can solve your subtraction sums of integers. One more example. Suppose plus 9 and minus subtract plus 4. So now using the rule, how you are going to solve it? Yeah, you write the first integer as it is. Subtraction convert to addition, and opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. Now solve. Plus 9 again as it is, plus and minus is minus 4. Now plus and minus again minus, So first do the operation and then give the sign. Plus and minus is minus, operation is minus, so 9 minus 4 is 5, and sign of greater. Now 9 is greater, so plus 5. So this way you got your answer. And if you're going to solve brackets directly, so plus 9 as it is, plus and minus minus 4. This will be equal to 5. Plus and minus minus, and 9 minus 5 sign of greater. So any method you can use and you can solve your sums. One more example, fourth one, plus 9 minus minus 4. As per the rule, plus 9 as it is, subtraction change to addition, minus 4 we write opposite plus 4. Now all are plus, so plus 9 plus 4, answer is positive 13. As per bracket solving method, what you are going to do? Okay, let's see. Or plus 9 as it is, minus minus operation becomes plus. 9 plus 4 plus 13. If we don't write positive sign, it's understood it's positive. So this way we are going to solve subtraction of integers. Now in your textbook you have been given a table like this, and in this table you have got to arrange the sums. Okay, first one is done for you. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Here it will be 8 minus the top number 6. Here 8 minus the top number 9. Here 8 minus minus 4. So minus 4 you will have to write in bracket because two signs are coming together. So you can either solve in this table, make a table and solve like this, or in your book you can write down the sums in a sequence. So let's see how we can do practice set 8. Now here you see the first sum, 3 minus 6. Okay, plus and minus is minus, 6 minus 3 is 3, and sign of greater number is minus. So this way you can directly solve applying the rules of adding up integers or subtracting integers. Plus and minus operation we have learnt is minus. When the signs are different, we have to operate it as minus. So 8 minus 6, 2, and sign of greater is plus, so I am not going to put the plus sign, leave it as it is. Minus minus we have learned, when the signs are same you have to add and give the sign which the sum bears. So minus minus is plus, 6 plus 3 is 9, and the sign both the numbers have is minus. So the minus sign stays here. Okay, minus minus plus, so 6 plus 2 8, and the sign remains minus. Plus and minus minus, 9 minus 3 is 6, greater number is minus, so answer is also minus 6. 8 minus 9, plus and minus, different signs, subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1, and sign of greater number is minus, so minus 1. Minus minus add, 9 plus 3 is 12, and sign remains minus because both have minus sign. Minus minus plus, 9 plus 2 11, and sign remains minus. Now look here carefully. Minus into minus, side by side there, that becomes plus forever. So minus and minus becomes plus. So I'm going to show you a step here. So this becomes 3 plus 4. Remember, when we are multiplying the signs, they become minus into minus, plus forever. Here this is different. Here the two integers are having negative sign. So in minus minus, operation is plus and sign remains negative. Here we are not going to look out for putting up the sign to the answer first only. First we want to solve the bracket. So only you have to solve the bracket first. Minus minus bracket is plus. The answer is plus. Now you see the operation. Plus and plus. So obviously 3 plus 7 and answer is positive 7. So now 8 minus minus 4. Minus into minus will be plus. Same way. But we'll not do the step. We'll write the answer directly. So 8 plus 4, answer 12. You want, you can put the step. If you don't want, you can write the answer directly. Minus 3 minus minus 4. Now you will feel that there are 3 subtraction signs. What to do? No confusion at all. First solve the brackets. So minus minus becomes plus. So I write minus 3 as it is and minus minus plus 4. Got it? So this minus minus, how it became minus minus plus 4 here? Same way. Minus into minus plus 4. Now solve for the plus and minus operation is minus 4 minus 3 1 and sign of greater number is positive. So positive 1. I hope you are getting it. So let's go to 12th sum. Minus minus plus. So plus 4 we got here. These minus signs are gone completely. Plus 4. Plus and minus is minus. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 4 is positive. So answer will be plus 2. You can write directly plus 2 if you have followed. Or you can add the step minus 2 as it is. Minus minus plus 4 and then solve it. 4 minus 2 is 2. Sign of greater number positive. 13th sum, plus 3 minus minus 5. Minus minus operation is plus. So plus 3 and you get plus 5. Answer is 8. Okay. Minus minus plus. So you get 8 plus 5. Answer 13. Minus 3 and minus minus becomes plus. 5 minus 3 is 2 and greater number is positive. So answer remains 2. Minus 2 minus minus becomes plus. Plus 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Greater number is positive. 3 minus 0, we all know 3. 8 minus 0 is 8. Minus minus operation is plus. 3 plus 0 is 3 and sign of greater is minus 3. Okay, and 20th sum here, minus minus operation plus. So 2 plus 0 is 2 and sign of greater number is minus. I hope you have followed this. Some places I have shown the working. You want, you can show the working for all the sums or you can write the answers directly if you are forming a table. Okay, here we have some solved examples. Sum number 21 is 3 minus plus 7. Plus into minus, operation minus. So 3 minus 7. Plus and minus, operation again minus. 7 minus 3, 4 and sign of greater number minus, so minus 4. Sum number 22, 8 minus plus 7. Plus into minus, operation minus. 8 minus 7. Plus into minus, operation minus. 8 minus 7, 1. Sign of greater number is plus. Number 23. Minus 3 minus plus 7. First the brackets. So minus into plus is minus. So we are left with minus 3 minus 7. Minus and minus operation is plus. 7 plus 3 is 10 and sign is negative. So the answer also bears a negative sign. Number 24. Minus 2 minus plus 7. First brackets will solve. So plus into minus is minus. So we get minus 7 here. So we write it down minus 2, minus 7. Minus and minus plus 7 plus 2, 9 and minus minus, so negative sign remains. Number 25, 3 minus minus 8. Again solve the brackets first. Minus into minus plus. So we are left with 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, answer 11. Number 26, 8 minus minus 8. Minus into minus plus 8. 8 plus 8, answer 16. Okay. Now let's go to sum number 27. Minus 3 minus minus 8. Now when you see so many minus signs, no need to worry at all. Go as we are doing the other sums, like first solve the brackets. So let's write minus 3 as it is. The first number we write as it is. Solve this first. Minus into minus is plus 8. Now we will check the signs again. Plus and minus is minus. Operation is minus. So 8 minus 3 is 5. And sign of greater number is plus. Next sum. Minus 2 minus minus 8. Now here minus and minus will be, yes, you got it by now. Minus into minus is plus. So minus 2 as it is. Minus minus plus 8. Now we will solve this. The operation will be minus, right? Plus and minus operation is minus. 8 minus 2, you got 6. And sign of greater number is positive, so we keep it positive. 3 minus minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3. So 3 plus 3, your answer is again 6. Okay. Sum number 30 is 8 minus minus 3. Again, keep the first number same. Minus into minus becomes plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So you got positive 11. Minus 3 minus minus 3. First the brackets always. So minus into minus is plus. So first minus 3 as it is. Minus into minus plus 3. This is what we got. Now let's solve this. Plus and minus operation minus. 3 minus 3 is 0. And 0 has no sign. Next, 32 sum, minus 2 minus minus 3. Minus minus, the operation becomes plus. So minus 2 plus 3. Now let's solve this. Plus and minus will be minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. And since 3 is greater, its sign is positive. So answer will also bear a positive sign. And we need not write the positive sign. It's understood. So I hope you have understood this exercise on subtraction of integers. Keep learning. Stay safe. Thank you.